Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Voyager rod. This exceptional fishing tool in Fisch is a craftable item, offering unique advantages for anglers. To begin your journey, you must first reach level 400. Once you meet this requirement, you'll need to gather specific crafting materials and have 30,000 cash ready. Let's dive into the steps to acquire this valuable rod. Your first major step is to access the Ancient Archives, the exclusive crafting location for the Voyager rod. Begin by traveling to the Ancient Isles. Remember, a glider is essential to reach this area. Once there, navigate to the western side of the island and find the prominent waterfall. Behind this waterfall lies a hidden cave. Venture inside and follow the rope to finally arrive at the Ancient Archives. With access to the archives, your next task is gathering the necessary components. You'll need 3 opals, which are found within meteors that randomly appear in the Ancient Isles. There's about a 13% chance for an opal to drop. Next, collect 3 void wood by fishing in the Keeper's altar, where chances are highest. Finally, secure 1 magic thread by either fishing or opening treasure chests. Once you have all the materials and meet the level requirement, you're ready to craft. Head back to the Ancient Archives crafting station. Confirm you have 3 opals, 3 void wood, and 1 magic thread in your inventory. You will also need 30,000 cash for the crafting fee. Interact with the crafting station, and with these items and funds, you can successfully create your very own Voyager rod.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.